Finally, after 6 months of working and using all of Sam's more than 10 years of photo editing experience, Sam has successfully researched and developed FineArt Secret image editing software. Sam put the whole process into this plugin, and from there it increased Sam's image editing speed by 5 to 10 times. In this tutorial, Sam will guide you through editing a sunset photo. Usually Sam shared with you 90% of Sam's photos. Being a sunset like this means it's not beautiful, not as brilliant as you usually see. However, Sam won't do the cloud grafting job, because it will be fake. So Sam rarely grafts clouds. So in Sam's sunset pictures you'll see it's dark like this. Because Sam wanted to keep the detail of the sky. Let Sam add the color. I still use my 4-step process. The first is the subject. So first, I will brighten the subject first. By choosing some plus 0.3 stop. Starting with Sam rising, until Sam sees a bright person, that's it. Sam keeps increasing. Continue. Continue. That's one way. The second way is for Sam to drop this now. Now Sam will lose shadow. Brighten up. It also brightens the photo. However, reducing shadow is only partial. After that, I also increased 0.3 stop up. As long as I feel fine. Okay. At this level, Sam thinks it's fine. Now you see that the sky is burning. So I will group all these layers together. I create a group and I create a mask. Now Sam will sweep in to save the sky. Then Sam just wants to be in the light, and this part of the sky Sam doesn't want it to be bright. I've finished with the sky. Before. After. Next, Sam will process and crop the image again. Let's lose the part over here, give the picture a balance. Here, after I cropped it, it lost the corner here. And Sam will pull up the picture. Let the sky shorten and make the skirt bigger. Okay. I can pull the skirt back. Now I will make the subject's skin whiter. By going to Skin, White Skin. I can select the Beauty Skin section to scan into the subject's skin. Now where I sweep, the skin will be smooth there. I can increase or decrease the opacity of this opacity. Because this picture is very far away. So you really don't need to do it too much. So it's already beautiful. Okay. Then after I crop this picture together. Before. After. Next, Sam will now shape the subject. By being yourself liquefy. Click liquefy. First, Sam pulled the skirt evenly. Evenly round. And secondly, Sam will create a twist for this dress. The block hitting part 1 will leave in the last part, the effective part. Image brightness. Okay. And if my skin is still not white enough, I want to be whiter. Then I just select the white skin and I scan the subject. Here, I reduce the opacity. Then I have completed step 1, the subject step. The second step is the color. This shirt is Sam wants to make it darker. So to start, Sam will choose the brush here and Sam will choose the vibrance. And Sam will paint this vibrance color on this dress, to make it darker. You see before, after. Or I'll watch it here, plus color cast. This color can be aqua or blue. Then I will choose aqua. I also see that aqua also makes the color of the dress darker. I can choose one more time. Then after a small step, I will see that my dress is much darker in color. More beautiful. More impressive. Then, next to color, now I'm going to color the sky. Sam is going to delete this lump. Coloring the sky is like the previous instructions that Sam guided you. I will edit the sky, sunset sky part. I entered sunset sky. Press the J key. Because this sky has two sides, Sam will double it. Duplicate it up. OK. After that, I will add another sunset. It's sky color. Now I will choose to go to sky color. Still pressing the J key. And I put this sky color on top. OK. With these two steps to create a cloud, I already have a yellow cloud. Now Sam will create a mask and Sam will deduct 50%. Move the affected area away from this lower part, so that it doesn't get too much color. Just like the sunset tutorials in the previous parts, Sam guides you. Now I will add this plus sunset. Let the sky be more golden. So now I will reduce it again, minus about 70%. Scan to the bottom. Then my skirt part will not be affected at this time. Yes, but not much. Then my sky is still clear. So now I have Step 1, my subject is beautiful. Step 2, I already have the color. And the third step is the light and dark. Now Sam will adjust the brightness by burning the light parts down. Then with a few simple steps, I finished editing a photo. Before, after.